Lane 2, Kilpatrick. Lane 3, Don Bosco. Lane 4, your host, Carpinteria. Lane 5, Oaks Christian. Lane 6, Valley Christian. Lane 7, Arrowhead Christian. Lane 8, Village Christian. And in lane 9, Vista Mar. Oaks Christian and Maroon moving very well into the third handoff. Here comes Oaks Christian and Carpinteria moving into second. Oaks Christian, official winning time, 43:39, followed by Carpinteria, 44:54, on an impressive anchor leg by Bryson Frazier.
I mean, she's strong. She's got a lot going on for her.
Hey, y'all should make some gumbo. Gumbo.
Event of the day on the track. Verbal of the day, Arrowhead Christian, 29 Fall, Carpinteria, Terrifley, Brentwood, Thatcher, and LaSalle.
Come on, Derek! Come on, Scott! Get it in!
Here comes Carpinteria. Kyle Milholland into the first handoff.
Come on, Derek! Come on, Derek! Go, Randy, good job! Come on, Jose! Get ready! Let's get up, Kyrie! Let's get it up! Do it!
Terrifley moving well, looking to challenge Carpinteria. Let's help them out, make some noise.
Let's go, Derek! Come on, Derek! Go, Derek! Go! Come on, Derek!
Terrifley, Carpinteria, 29 pounds, faster.
Come on, Derek! Go, 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 go! Come on, let's go! Come on, let's go!
Carpinteria, ball by 29 pounds to third. Here comes Pericles into the front stretch, followed by Carpinteria. P5 winner 3:28.04, followed by Carpinteria 3:29.97.
Right, Nick.